Welcome to the South Africa portal. In this video, we will show you how to apply to Walter Sisulu University WSU 2027 with ease. Before we continue, please don't hesitate to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you watch till the end, because missing just one step could delay your application. If you are planning to study in South Africa and want a university that blends academic excellence with real-world relevance, Walter Sisulu University, often referred to as WSU, is a strong choice. Each year, thousands of students apply to WSU for its diverse programs, modern facilities, and commitment to community development. This video walks you through everything you need to know about the Walter Sisulu University WSU Online Application 2027, including requirements, deadlines, courses, application steps, tips, and common mistakes to avoid. Whether you are a first-time applicant or returning student, this guide is published to help you navigate the process smoothly. About Walter Sisulu University. Walter Sisulu University is one of South Africa's comprehensive universities, offering a mix of academic and vocational programs. It was established through the merger of several institutions, creating a university that serves both rural and urban communities. WSU is known for its strong focus on practical learning, innovation, and community engagement. The university has multiple campuses, located in the Eastern Cape, providing students with a rich cultural and educational environment. Some key highlights of WSU include a wide range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs, affordable tuition compared to many institutions, strong emphasis on experiential learning, diverse student population, career-oriented courses designed for the job market. Why choose WSU in 2027? Choosing the right university is a big decision, and WSU offers several advantages that make it appealing for 2027 applicants. The university focuses on producing graduates who are not just academically qualified, but also ready for the workplace. Many programs include practical training, internships, or community-based projects. Another major advantage is accessibility. WSU provides opportunities for students from different backgrounds, including those from underserved communities. Students also benefit from modern learning facilities and laboratories, support services such as tutoring and counseling, opportunities for research and innovation, a vibrant campus life with extracurricular activities. WSU Online Application 2027. Overview. The WSU Online Application system is designed to make the application process easy and accessible. Instead of visiting the campus physically, you can apply from anywhere using your phone or computer. The online platform allows you to create an application profile, select your desired courses, upload required documents, track your application status. Applying online is not only convenient but also faster and more efficient. Official WSU application portal. To apply for admission, use the official Walter Sisulu University application portal below, https://www.wsu.ac.za. Make sure you only use the official website to avoid scams or incorrect information. WSU application opening and closing dates for 2027 application timelines are extremely important. Missing deadlines could mean waiting another year to apply. For the 2027 academic year, applications typically follow this pattern. Applications open around April or May, most programs close around September, competitive programs may close earlier. It is strongly recommended that you apply as early as possible to secure your spot, especially for high-demand courses. Admission requirements for WSU 2027. Before applying, you must ensure that you meet the minimum admission requirements. General requirements: a National Senior Certificate or equivalent qualification, meeting the required admission point score, APS. Specific subject requirements depending on your chosen course. Additional requirements: some programs may require portfolio submissions, interviews, entrance tests. It is important to check the requirements for your specific program, before applying. Courses offered at WSU Walter Sisulu University offers a wide variety of programs across several faculties. Faculty of Business, Management Sciences and Law, Accounting, Business Management, Public Administration, Law Faculty of Engineering, Built Environment and Information Technology, Civil Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Information Technology Faculty of Health Sciences, Nursing, Pharmacy, Medical Sciences Faculty of Education, Foundation Phase Teaching, Intermediate Phase Teaching, Senior Phase Teaching Faculty of Natural Sciences, Biology, Chemistry, Environmental Science. Each program is designed to equip students with both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. Step-by-step guide to WSU Online Application 2027. Applying online may seem complicated at first, but once you understand the steps, it becomes straightforward. Create your account. Visit the official WSU website and locate the online application section. Create a profile using your email address and personal details. Choose your program. Select the course or courses you want to apply for. Make sure you meet the requirements for each program. Fill in your details. Enter your personal information, academic history, and other required details accurately. Upload supporting documents. You will need to upload scanned copies of important documents such as ID or passport, academic transcripts or results, proof of residence, any additional required documents. Submit your application. Review all your details carefully before submitting. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation. Track your application. Log into your account regularly to check the status of your application. Documents required for application. Having the correct documents ready will make your application process smoother. Commonly required documents include certified copy of ID or passport, certified copies of academic results, proof of payment if applicable, proof of residence, passport-sized photograph. Ensure all documents are clear and properly certified. Application fees. WSU may charge an application fee depending on your program and status. Important points: fees are usually non-refundable. Payment methods are provided on the official website. Keep proof of payment. Some applicants may be exempt from paying their application fee, so check the guidelines carefully. Tips for a successful WSU application. Applying to university is competitive, so you need to stand out and avoid mistakes. Here are some helpful tips. Apply early to avoid last-minute issues. Double-check all your information before submitting. Ensure your documents are clear and certified. Choose courses that match your strengths. Monitor your email for updates. Taking these steps can significantly improve your chances of acceptance. Common mistakes to avoid. Many applicants make avoidable errors that delay or ruin their chances. Avoid the following: submitting incomplete applications, uploading incorrect or unclear documents, missing deadlines, choosing programs without meeting requirements, ignoring communication from the university. Being careful and organized can save you a lot of stress. After you apply, what happens next? Once you submit your application, the university begins reviewing it. Possible outcomes include acceptance, provisional acceptance, rejection, request for additional information. If accepted, you will receive instructions on how to register. WSU student funding and financial aid. Finances are a major concern for many students. WSU provides support through various funding options. Students can apply for government financial aid programs, scholarships, bursaries. Make sure you apply for funding early, as spaces are limited. Accommodation at WSU. WSU offers both on-campus and off-campus accommodation options. Benefits of campus accommodation: close proximity to classes, access to campus facilities, enhanced student experience. Accommodation is limited, so apply as early as possible. Life as a student at WSU. WSU offers a vibrant and enriching student life. Students can participate in sports and recreation, cultural activities, student organizations, community outreach programs. The university environment encourages both personal and academic growth. Frequently asked questions: can I apply for more than one course? Yes, you can apply for multiple programs, but make sure you qualify for each. Is there an age limit for applying? No, as long as you meet the academic requirements. Can international students apply? Yes, WSU accepts international applicants, but additional requirements may apply. How do I know if my application was successful? You will receive updates via email or through the application portal. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. For more updates on universities, TED colleges, nursing, jobs, bursaries, internships, learnerships, apprenticeships, careers, government updates, opportunities, scholarships, and lifestyle in South Africa and beyond, kindly visit www.southafricaportal.com.